Stage 1 paint correction, Stage 2 paint correction. What's the difference and which one do you actually need on your vehicle? I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Today, I'm going to explain clearly so you can make the right choice for your vehicle and situation. So what is a Stage 1 paint correction? Stage 1, also known as an enhancement polish, is a single polishing step using one compound and one pad. It removes light swirl marks, fine scratches, and minor oxidation to the vehicle, as well as wash marring. It typically can remove 50 to 7% of visible defects, and the time required for that would be 24 hours, depending on the vehicle size. Now, what is a Stage 2 paint correction? A Stage 2, like mentioned in the name, is a two-step process. Step 1, a cutting compound to remove deeper defects, and Step 2 is a finishing polish that refines the surface to a perfect gloss. It removes heavy swirl marks, deep scratches, significant oxidation, most visible defects, and we typically try to achieve at least a 90% paint correction factor with this service. The time required for this is 48 hours, depending on the size of the vehicle. Now, the visual difference, after a Stage 1, your car will look noticeably better. Most people would be happy. After a Stage 2, your car will look like glass. It'll look absolutely perfect. The difference in reflections and depth is absolutely dramatic. Especially on dark coloured vehicles, a Stage 2 is approaching that show car level of kind of standard. How to know which you need. Now, a simple test is to wash your vehicle and let it dry. Look at the flat panel in direct sunlight. If you see light swirling that you have to kind of look for, Stage 1 is definitely the way to go. If you see heavy swirling, that's immediately obvious. Stage 2, deep scratches that you can feel, it might need wet sanded or a touch-up. If you're not sure, send us a photo and we'll try and tell you. Now, the cost difference is Stage 1 is £450 typically. Stage 2 is £800 plus typically. Stage 2 is roughly double because it takes roughly double the time. Now, who needs which? Stage 1 is great for newer vehicles with light wear, maintenance before coating, and well-maintained vehicles. Budget-conscious owners as well. Stage 2 is for older vehicles with heavy defects, black and dark-coloured vehicles, show preparation, and perfectionists. Now, when you inquire with us, we'll assess the paintwork and recommend honestly what you need. We don't upsell a Stage 2 if you don't need it. I'm James from Hadrian's, and I'll see you in the next one.